In today's fast-paced financial landscape, staying ahead of risks and ensuring compliance is critical. Leveraging advanced technologies, such as AI-powered solutions, can significantly enhance an organization's ability to predict and mitigate operational risks while streamlining regulatory compliance. That's where 360factors comes in. 360factors helps navigate complex regulatory landscapes and mitigate risk with AI-powered software solutions. 360factors, a company specializing in AI-powered risk and compliance solutions for mid-sized organizations, offers 3 primary software platforms. Predict 360 for integrated risk and compliance management, Lumify 360 for data management and analytics, and 𝐀𝐬𝐤 for AI compliance expertise. 360factors' flagship product, Predict 360, streamlines risk and compliance management, offering risk and control assessments, risk insights, issues and complaints management, third-party risk management, compliance monitoring and testing, regulatory change management, policy management, audit and findings management, and more. The platform empowers users to make proactive, data-driven decisions while reducing compliance costs and helping to identify emerging and unforeseen risks. Lumify 360, an advanced business analytics platform, enables you to enhance your data, analyze KRIs and KPIs, and forecast future performance with greater precision. It can easily integrate data from multiple data sources, allowing financial institutions to convert internal and external data into a cohesive, actionable intelligence hub to improve decision-making. 𝐀𝐬𝐤 is a standalone AI-powered compliance expert built for U.S. financial institutions. Trained exclusively on federal regulatory content, it helps teams quickly interpret complex rules, draft and update policy documents, review marketing content for compliance, and improve internal processes without hours of manual research. 𝐀𝐬𝐤 delivers expert insights on demand, explaining complex regulations in plain language, identifying compliance gaps, and generating audit-ready guidance to empower compliance teams. 360factors specializes in delivering tailored solutions to address the mid-sized organization's unique needs. Our expertise banks credit unions, mortgage lenders, insurance providers, non-bank lenders, financial services, and more. Don't just manage risk, predict it with greater accuracy. Visit 360factors.com today to learn more about their AI-powered solutions and request a demo.